keeping your family safe. Channel 6 is the weather authority.
Well, starting off with some sunshine here across the area. The storm system that was supposed to be here a little bit earlier, well, it took its sweet old time. So that some nice sunshine, and those temperatures climbed to 44 degrees. Clouds rolled in this afternoon. Now we're seeing quite a few clouds and a little light rain well off to the west of the Omaha area. We'll show you where that is in just a second. Temperatures 39 degrees here in Omaha. Elkhorn checks in right at 38. Gretna 39 degrees. Skies are mostly cloudy. Satellite and radar, as we put this into motion, there's that moisture, but notice how it gets a little bit thinner as it gets closer to our area. It's running into some drier air, so it's falling apart. So this is extremely light in nature. If you are traveling, especially off to the central part of the state, you may see a little bit in the way of some rain, but it's very, very light. Our major storm system is up to the north over the parts of the Dakotas, I should say, and out ahead of it, that colder air running into that moisture. So they're looking at quite a bit of snow up in that region. Just to show you the latest on the advisories and the winter storm warnings, basically from Fargo right on through the Twin Cities over towards Chicago, Cedar Rapids, Milwaukee, and kind of tailing down toward Indy. Again, it's to our north, and that won't affect us whatsoever. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast, so it helps you plan your evening tonight with a lot of clouds around. A few hit and miss rain showers can't be ruled out, but the air is pretty dry, and that'll be the story as we go throughout the evening. You see a little blue in there at 10 o'clock. Could see a wet snowflake or two across parts of our area as temperatures fall into the low to middle 30s at 10 o'clock. We'll go ahead and put the clock in motion, and a lot of cloud cover still on top of us. By early tomorrow morning, we're still looking at mostly cloudy skies. Could have a few light snowflakes to start the day tomorrow, but the general trend will be clearing skies, and we will start the day tomorrow in the mid to upper 20s across the board. Just to give you an idea, though, on what we're expecting, nothing in the way of any winter-like weather. Most of that, as you can see, the colors up to our north and to our east. What we are looking at, though, tomorrow is a wind advisory for parts of our area, especially north and west. Winds between about 25 and 35 miles per hour sustained with gusts around 45. So it will be a rather windy afternoon here across our region. As for that snowfall, again, looks pretty light here as we go throughout the day tomorrow. You can see most areas under a half an inch, maybe not even that much. Most of it will be off to our north and east in parts of Iowa. But here's the big picture, though. Take a look at these temperatures. We are talking about warmer weather on the way. So our trend here by the end of the week calls for temperatures climbing into the upper 40s to around 50, 51 on Friday. Next weekend, we could see a little light rain. Nothing major, with temperatures staying in the low to middle 40s with overnight lows in the 30s. If you want to get the latest weather information, we've got that for you at WOWT.com/weather. But once again, we missed out on this big snowstorm. It's going to stay to our north.
And we're getting 50s on the weekend, which it never happens that way. Yes.
This one just happened to work out our way.
We're really happy about that.
Yes.
Let's go back to John.